We're here in Pilot Point, Texas, and we're with Chad and Susie Chance, home of Hoofwatch and World Championship Blacksmiths. And we are going to make a series of videos for Las Vegas, our year-end championship. We have two judges from the UK that happen to be both fellowships of the Worshipful Company of Farriers, and they happen to be married. Both of them are well respected in our industry, Mr. Stephen Bean and Miss Sarah Bean. We have one of two shoes from the Con two-person forging, and this is a 17.5-inch double Dobber, two caulkins with a bumped up toe, a hammer-drawn toe clip, 6 plain stamped E9 Slims. It's 17.5 inches a half by 1.25 inches. All right, we got some pretty good heat. About 1 inch. Get some of this material from the inside and push it to the outside. This is my medial side. This is my lateral side. I'm going to do a medial heel cock first because I always seem to overcompensate and make the second heel cock a little bigger. So I'll do that medial one first. Put just a little bit of a bend in there, just the best thing to do is be patient and just wait for them and keep this side straight as possible. All right, one more heat, and I should have it. All right, well, we'll go to the other side since we're in a heel cock making mode. We've got the both heel cocks pretty much done. I'll clean up in front of both heel cocks just to kind of clean up all the chatter in the center of them. Get out here on the bick. It's such a thick piece of steel that you don't want to just come on the base and try and do it on the big part of the bick. It'll bend a huge quarter. Just stay in one place and camp out. Come way out on the bick, put it where you think the heel nail is, and your quarter, and just hang out. All I'm doing right there, kind of just getting the heel cock in line with travel before I set it down. Switch it around, try and get them in there. Scribe for my center punch mark. We'll clip it. Find my mark. Kind of flatten everything up real nice. I think what I'll do now is just run each branch up, sweeten it up, and just tidy everything up and rerun my nail hole. Just gonna start from the toe, kind of stay behind the horn all the way, and then get up over the top and bring that shape on in. Go out to the quarter, come over the top. All I'm doing is putting a little bit of shape in there and busting all this junk loose. All filed up. Just go over my flattening a little bit. There we have it.